Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and unbox this 4-gallon backpack sprayer by EGO. And this is the BSP3500. Let's get after it. Like you, this is going to be the first time we're seeing this equipment. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. The box is still sealed, so let's go ahead and crack it real quick. Oh, pretty simple, it looks like. We get a backpack sprayer, looks like a wand, a book, place for a battery. There's not a battery in this particular kit. It looks like it's already attached to the wand. All I have to do is connect this. Just go ahead and knock that out really quick, just show you how easy it is. This just doesn't seem like there's a lot. Let's take a look inside. Oh, sure enough. Okay, cool. So let's pull this out really quick. This has got a filter in it, so it's got a pre-filter in there. So when I'm filling up, I have the ability to filter that water, so we're not gonna get that pump inside clogged up. This is in a brushless motor. As it says right here, it's 350 PSI. It gives you about a max of 0.8 gallons per minute, which is pretty good, right? So just did a misting fan review. Love that little small misting fan. Actually, I've just purchased that recently. That's doing 1.2 gallons a minute, so does a really nice job. This seems to be doing just a little less than that. Obviously, it is a 4-gallon sprayer, so we're not gonna do that. So in the book, it does state that on a 2.5 amp hour battery, I'm gonna get about 150 gallons worth of spraying time. So, I mean, that's a lot of refills on this thing. So this thing sounds like it sips energy. I did peruse the reviews on the EGO site because I do like to look at those every once in a while to see, you know, kind of some of the feedback that people are getting. A lot of them were saying that this thing just sips the battery, which is great. So what else do we get in the box? We got the instructions. We don't like to read those, you know me. We may have to later though. It looks like we've got a shower nozzle. So it's got a nice shower nozzle that comes with it. This is the cone nozzle that is adjustable. So I have the ability to adjust a cone spray on there. So yep, fan nozzle is right here. We don't like to read those, you know me. I've got a foam nozzle. Oh, that's what that is. Cool. So this is a foaming nozzle. And then of course it comes with these nice straps. This was another thing that on the website, it does have some nice straps. It does look like they're removable. I think somebody was complaining that, you know, this is gonna get full of chemicals. This should be easier to come off. I'm not sure how you can make it any easier to come off than it already is. That's just kind of my opinion, because if you make it any easier, my chances are it'll probably just fall off. So let's go ahead and throw this on. Let's feel how comfortable this thing is. Nice. It's got a nice chest strap on it. And then of course it's got that nice waistband. And that waistband is just as comfortable as my army rucksack. I think I'm ready to go ghost busting, it looks like. So let's go ahead and see what this thing can do. I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in it and we're gonna do some tests. Okay, so while we got this filling, I'll just talk a little bit. You know, it's got 4 gallons. It's IPX4 rated. What is that gonna mean? That means that it's pretty water resistant. It's definitely gonna withstand the elements. I mean, it makes sense. You're putting water in it. So we'll go ahead and fill her all the way up here. With all that water in there, it's gonna be relatively heavy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is show you the different kind of patterns that this is gonna have. So right now, I'll show you kind of the different settings. This has got 1 all the way to 5. And so if I go to 1, it's got a very slow, controlled pattern. I'm tightening up that fan just a bit. Hopefully you can see that. If I crank it up, so now we're all the way up to 1, 2, and then all the way up to 5. You can see that engine going a little bit more, and then I can change the width of the cone, almost to a spray, back to a really wide cone, fine mist. Go ahead and cut it off. We'll bring it back down. I'm gonna switch out the tips really quick. All right, next one up, I'm gonna check out that fan blade. So we got a 60-degree fan on this one. All right, let's go ahead and check that out. Hopefully you can see it. Nice fan. All right, let's check out the shower. Go out there and water my plants here. Start her back down, work her way up. As described, it's got a little shower pattern. Nice and cool. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. I'm not sure this one's gonna actually show us much, but it's the foaming tip. Yeah, you could tell that this would be a good job, doing a good job foaming. So it just has an agitator in there that would foam whatever material you had in it. All right, well, as my stuff all blows away, let's go ahead and put that adjustable tip. This is just the cone tip again. I'm gonna move you over to my fence really quick and kind of show you what it does on as a pattern. So I'm gonna show you really quick some of the patterns right here on the wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank this down to about 1, and then I'm gonna adjust the cone out to about its widest spot. Let's crank it all the way up to 5. That's a pretty nice job there. You know, if I wanted to stain my fence with this, I suppose I could. It probably, it may ruin the pump in there. I'll have to do some research on that, but it's about time for us to do a little bit of spraying. We've got some apples coming on. We've got some roadies that need a little bit of extra spray on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get after that. You like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more content like this. Hope you've enjoyed this backpack spreader. It's the BSP3500 from EGO. Brand new product from them. It is great so far. See you next time on Papé Toolkit. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.